If you want to get a new launcher on your Google Pixel 11, all you have to do is you need to go to the Play Store. Then over here in the Play Store, we're gonna tap on the search option, and we're gonna use the search field at the top. And now here, just type launcher. There we go. We can also use suggestions, of course, and you should be able to find many different launchers that you can get, most of them for free. And of course, they have some differences here and there. They don't really look the same. So what you can do is you can use one of these launchers, you can install them on your phone, and then you can see how it looks like, what features it offers. And if you like it, then of course you can just stay with it and you can keep using it. But if you don't like it, you can uninstall it and you can try another one. So as an example, I'm gonna install this Microsoft launcher over here. The reason why I choose it is simply because it doesn't have any ads, and I think it has enough features to be happy about, to satisfy your needs. So if we open now the launcher, we will have to set it up, which is actually very straightforward. We just have to tap on Get Started. We have a couple of permissions that we can grant for the launcher. In my case, I'm not gonna allow the access to location, but I'm gonna grant the access to notifications and photos and videos. You might also see the sign-in page to use your Microsoft account, but you can just tap on Skip over here to skip that process. And we also have the option to share data with Microsoft to help them improve the Microsoft launcher, but you can tap on Not Now if you don't want to share your data. And then after a couple of seconds, you should also be able to choose your favorite apps, so they are going to be added to the home screen straight away. But of course, you can just tap on Continue if you don't want to choose these apps now. Later on, you can just go to the app drawer and add apps by yourself. And once we finally go to the home screen now, you have the option to set the launcher as the default one, which is something that you probably want to do, because if you do so, if you choose the Microsoft launcher here now in the default home app, whenever you go to the home screen, then this new launcher is going to be open. So you won't go back to the previous launcher, to the Pixel launcher. And there we go. Now over here, as you can see, we have our new home screen. There is also a new app drawer, of course, and there might be some additional features. And this is generally the case for all of these different launchers. They change the appearance of the home screen, of the app drawer, and they provide some of the, they provide just some features. You can still customize, of course, the launcher. Most of the time, they provide some settings that you can go through to make some adjustments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.